Hi there, fifth grade alto sax players, okay? So this is a video of me taking you guys through number 113 in your book. Now, even if you're not on 113, this is a really, really easy thing to do. Before we even talk about what's really we're working on here, I mean, you can look at the notes, guys, and you can see it's D's and E's, and D's and E, 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 and D's, okay? It's two notes. You're not going to have the problem with this, okay? What this is doing is this is showing us and reminding us our lovely dotted notes, okay? Notes with the little dot. Now, before you go, well, that's new. Well, not really, because we have had dotted notes. Let me go down here near the bottom. I'm going to draw a half note, or do my best to draw a half note. Remember, an empty hole with just the line coming down is our half note. Usually that note is worth 2, right? That's what this one over here is, okay? Now, if I put a dot beside that note, what that dot does is it adds to this number 2. What number does it add? Well, it adds half of the number 2. Well, what's half of 2? Hopefully you just said 1. So that is that dotted half note. Guys, we've been playing this note for a long time. We were playing it back when we did our Christmas concert where we had the deck the halls, okay? 3 beats on the word deck. Okay, so this is the same thing. It's just going to be a different note has a dot, okay? The rules all still apply. It is not a new thing. It's not something that you're not going to be able to figure out, okay? It's very simple. So how exactly do we do it? Well, a quarter note, we know that the solid shaped note, wow, it is really hard to draw a quarter note on a laptop, okay? With the line, we know that that note is worth 1 beat, okay? So if I take that note and I add the little dot beside it, what we're gonna do is take half of this number, okay? So a lot of kids go, oh, well, no, the dot's worth 1, I should add 1. No, remember, as I told you, where I got that 1 was I divided this number in half. So same thing, I'm gonna divide this number in half. What's half of 1? Well, hopefully you just said half of 1 is half. So total, a dotted quarter note is 1 1/2. Okay, so that's how this is going to work. It's 1 1/2 beats long. Okay, so basically they're really showing this to you right in your book. Okay, because this 1 1/2 beats, this note is 1 1/2 beats. Guess what? So is this one. This is 1 1/2 right here. So is this one 1 1/2 right here. This one you can literally see because that quarter note is worth 1, and that eighth note is worth half. So 1 plus a half, and we add that because it's got the tie. Ta-da, there's 1 1/2. We just said that this eighth note is a half. Well, what's a half plus a half plus a half? 1 1/2. So guys, this song is so easy. Literally half of your notes, half of the measures are the same thing. This is D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, okay? It's the same thing over and over. And if you notice, I did 3 little snaps. This is where I said it's the same thing. Just instead of 3 beats, we just do 3 little half beats. It's the same, okay? It is nothing that you don't already know how to do, okay? So I'm gonna play this for you guys. It's really, really simple. All you need is D and E. So here we go. I'm gonna use my dotted quarter notes. So here we go. 1 and 2, and ready, here we go. Basically, what this helps create is long, short, long, short. Now, why did I have you guys practice these lovely dots again? Because you're going to see these dots again when we have eventually next year on Mount Pleasant. On Mount Pleasant, on Mount Pleasant, okay? This is that rhythm, okay? So here again, dots are the same whether they're like this or like this. They just take half of the original number, half of the original note value, and then add it back to it, okay? So there's number 113. It is crazy easy, guys. So happy practicing.